Once again, welcome to our new course, Microsoft Excel for Absolute Beginners, and we are going to see how to format a worksheet, how to apply different formats to a worksheet. In this chapter 2, we are going to see how to open, first of all, an existing workbook, how to apply borders, how to fill color, and how to merge cells, and how to size rows and columns. To open an existing workbook, there are two main process. First of all, if you have already created a workbook as we've created the one in chapter 1, you can go where you have saved it and then double click on it to have it open. Or if you already have an existing Excel file open and you want to open another one, click on File menu, go to Open, browse the location of your file, select your file, and then click Open. Double click on the file where you have saved it, and then you have it open. So, or you can click on File and then go to Open, browse the location of your file, and then choose the file where you have saved it, and then now it is open. How to apply borders? You can select the cell or range of cells that you want bordered. Go to Home tab on Ribbon, you will see a font section. Find a border button that looks like a small grid, just looks like this one, and then click the arrow next to borders to find more option, and then choose the type of border you want to apply to your cell. Select the area where you want to apply borders, then you choose Home, go to Font section, choose Borders, and then you apply borders. Here we go. So how to fill color to our worksheet? Select the cell or range of cells that you want to fill color as we've done in borders. Go to Home tab on the ribbon, you will see the font section. Find the border button that looks like a bucket, then click the arrow to fill color. Under theme colors or standard color, you can pick whatever color you want, and you select the area you want to apply the color. Go to Home, then choose Font section. You see where there is a bucket, choose a color you want to fill in, and here we go. So how to merge cells? To merge cells or to combine different cells, you select the cell or range of cells that you want to merge, then go to Home tab on the ribbon. You will see Alignment section. Select Merge and Center. Then there is one thing you have to remember. If you merge cells that have data, so the upper right cell for the right to left language, or the upper left cell for the left to right language, are the one appear in the merge cell. The content of the other cells that you merge are deleted automatically. So this is how you do it. You select the cells you want to merge, you go to Home Alignment section, then you click Merge and Center. So how to resize rows and columns? To resize rows and columns, select one or more column or rows that you wish to resize. To select all columns and rows, you can press Ctrl+A or click the Select All button. Then on the Home tab in Cells group, click Format. Click Column Width for columns or row height for row. In the column width box or row height, type the desired number and click OK. Go to select, then go to Format, then choose row height or column width, then add number, then click OK. Now our column is enlarged. Again, you can do the same for row, and then you have the bigger row. Oh, thank you very much for following this little chapter. Then don't miss the next chapter, the chapter 2, formatting data in Excel. Sorry, this is chapter 3, not chapter 2.